Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the chain stitch. This is going to be the basic stitch of practically anything you make. We're going to make our slip knot here and wrap our yarn around our fingers. The first step that you're going to do, I like to hold my yarn down here close to the needle with my first and third fingers. Then we're going to take our crochet hook and we're going to wrap around the yarn, and then we're going to pull down through the slip knot. And that's your first chain. Wrap around the yarn, pull down through your stitch. And you just keep doing that. You can make, I know when I was a kid, I used to make all kinds of little stitches like this and make necklaces and bracelets and stuff. But that's your chain stitch. And you can count each little hump there is one stitch down through there. And then when you start adding, I'll show you next how you can do a single crochet. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be posting more soon. Thank you so much.